Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to cancel Credit Saint account. Now to cancel this account, basically the users should contact Credit Saint directly, okay? That is the only way to do this. While you can cancel it anytime, the account will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, right? Due to their non-refundable policy. So there are no prorated refunds, and if you want to initiate a cancellation or refund, you'll likely need to contact their customer service, which might involve a phone call to verify your identity and confirmation. Now, CreditSaint also states that you can cancel anytime, subject to their terms and conditions, but otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.